Welcome to Diamond Protec's nanodiamond composite coatings. Our coatings are ecologically cleaner, more user-friendly, and interact minimally with natural and chemical elements. You've selected Diamond Body, our caramel gloss and slick feel protection with a longevity rating of 18 months. With proper preparation, Diamond Body will yield up to 18 months of hardened hydrophobic protection. And it offers many characteristics of a professional vehicle coating, yet doesn't require professional training. Diamond Body is applied in 4 easy steps. Prepare painted surfaces by washing and applying Diamond Body Prep to ensure optimal bonding. Apply Diamond Body to the surface of 1 to 2 vehicle elements. Wait just 1 to 3 minutes, and then polish off the excess with a microfiber towel. Your vehicle is now ready for the road and will have a hardened hydrophobic protection for 18 months. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created evenly distributed diamond armored elastic coatings with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a new revolutionary coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply Diamond Body, click the link below.